Hey VR fans! Meta just unveiled Tiramisu and Boba 3, mind-blowing VR prototypes that could redefine immersion. Is this the future of virtual reality? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into these game-changing headsets. Meta showcased Tiramisu and Boba 3 at SIGGRAPH's 2025, pushing VR boundaries with insane visuals and ultra-wide fields of view. These prototypes outshine the Quest 3, but they're not consumer-ready yet. Want the specs? Keep watching. Tiramisu sets a new VR standard, boasting 3 times the contrast of Quest 3, a 90 pixels per degree resolution, 3.6 times sharper, and a dazzling 1400 nits brightness, 14 times brighter. Meta claims it passes the visual Turing test, delivering near-real visuals. The catch? It's bulkier, with a slightly restricted field of view, but the clarity is unreal. Boba 3 shines with a 180-degree horizontal and 120-degree vertical field of view, nearly matching human vision's 200-degree span. It rocks 4K by 4K resolution per eye, using upgraded Quest 3-style displays and lenses. This prototype promises immersive experiences that feel like stepping into another world. Tiramisu and Boba 3 are not hitting stores yet, but they hint at Meta's VR future, blending insane clarity and wide views. These prototypes could shape next-gen headsets, challenging rivals like Apple's Vision Pro. Is this the leap VR needs to feel truly real? Meta's Tiramisu and Boba 3 are research previews, but they've got us hyped for what's next. Are you excited for ultra-real VR or curious about consumer versions? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Meta's Tiramisu and Boba 3 VR prototypes. Are you blown away by the visuals or waiting for a lighter design? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.